So hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you all how to straighten your hair at home and how to get that parlor like finish, because when you straighten your hair in the parlor it is way different than what you do at home. So first I'm going to teach you all that how to do it. So I have curly hair, and if you are washing your hair, see to that you are washing it one day before. So first things first, I'm going to just take out the knots from my hair. I'm just going to comb my hair properly. Okay, once you have combed your hair, you would want to put the iron already on heat because you want it to be hot till that time. So I already have mine on. It is currently, the temperature is on 220 degrees. Okay, and then you are going to section your hair because you are going to do the back first and then we'll come to the front. Okay, so can you see like this part? You're just going to separate this like till behind your ears, so this much. And once this is done, following the same thing, you're going to do the same thing for this. And see through that you are going all the way down. Clip your hair like this. So whichever part you're going to do first, you would want to do, keep your hair like this. So after this, you're going to section your hair. You're going to take the last part of your hair from down, which will be from down, it will be your first. So this is the hair you are going to straighten. Comb it nicely. I'm going to just show you like this, and I'm going to take your straightener and I'm going to comb it like this. And see that you are turning your hair a little down. And that's it. Like y'all can see, it is done. Now y'all can see that the hair is not straightened from up, but do not worry about that. Once this is done, we are just going to put this hair over here. Okay, just going to clip it like that. And this is how you are going to iron your full hair. So this is how you are going to go in small sections for the full hair, because the smaller the section, the more better the straightening is going to look. So I'm just going to do the full back hair, and I'm going to come and show you all how to do the front. So this was my hair before and this is the after. So this is the way that you are going to straighten your hair. So now I'm going to go do this side. I'm going to be right back, and then we will do this side of the hair. I'm going to do the front of the hair. So I'm just going to do the same thing, but this time it is going to be sections in this way. I know this takes a lot of time, but trust me, the results are too good. So I'm going to take sections like this now. Can you all see that? Like this. So this is the section. I'm going to take it, catch it. Please mind your ears while doing this. And see that you are giving a curve down. Same way, take out this section, catch this in your hand, put this part behind, take another section like this, take the clip your hair. This is the section, this is the section. Take the comb it first, your straightener. If your iron is small, you would want to divide this like this, and if it is like okay, like if you have a flat iron this big, then it's fine. Same thing, 1 2 3, pull down, go straight, catch the hair with the comb like this. Once you are doing this, bring it down right here, okay? And give a curve. This is how you're straightening your hair. Now once this is done, this what you have straightened, you're going to comb it, you're going to catch it sideways, going to catch the comb also, going to take your iron like this, and you are going to straighten it like this. Do not worry if the full hair is not coming, you can do it like this also. So this, and once you all come here, curve it down, curve it down, okay? Now once this is done, open your full hair, comb it, and we are just going to give like one round of the straightener all over. So like you're just going to take your hair and just do this, what I am doing. This hair of mine stays for about 3 days, and if you don't put water on it, it stays for 3 days, but if you do, then it's just gone, okay? So this is how you straighten your hair at home. I don't know if you all can see it, but this much I am able to show you. So that's it guys for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.